very big hello to Year 9. Yes, here's my body double, because I remembered that last week I made the preposterous claim that I would look like a top model because I'd had my hair done. Well, I probably don't, so I thought I'd just ask Kendall if she'd do me the assembly. No, I'm only joking. Also, I'm going to have to fess up as well. In a month's time, I'm 50 years old, and I was thinking about who could I get as my body double as a supermodel. Well, I put up dear old Cindy Crawford. I showed this picture to a younger member of our Netherwood staff who said, "Who's that?" So I'm putting Cindy Crawford up there because she'd be who I'd have as my body double. I mean, the similarities are scary, aren't they? But anyway, that's old school supermodel, everybody. That's your mums and dads and grandparents may know who that is. But if you're under the age of 30, you probably don't. All right. Anyway, right, I'll stop messing about now. Hello, Year 9. Yes, no body double messing now. Here I am, back to, so hair done, roots done. I do feel like a top model, even though I might not look like one. So I won't say anything more about being a top model. All right, I'll get on with it. Right. So I'm going to start with maths. Okay, and I think I said last week, but we've gone massively from Hegarty from 41 to 102, and it's about remained the same. So well done for consistency more than anything. So I'm first of all going to do shout outs from individual teachers, and then I've got 102 names to read out for Hegarty. That's something else completely different from for Hegarty maths. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to apologise. Sincere apologies to Brogan G, because I missed her off the last Hegarty list, and I've spoken to her, given a personal apology, so we're all right there. But I missed her off last time, so a huge shout out to Brogan G. All right. Miss Chodnika wants a massive shout out to Connor C. Not only is he doing great on Hegarty, but he's worked super hard all year. Definitely her student of the year. Well done, Connor. Mr. Scullion says Gracie M, who's done the majority of work each week, and she tries so hard and always does. Well done, you. Mr. Rafe want to mention the dynamic duo of Holly C and Callum D yet again. Mr. Reeve says consistently sending in work and being absolutely brilliant. So well done, you guys. Right, are we ready? 102 names. I will pause for breath and apologies for the monotony of my voice. All right. So Hegarty Maths logged on. We've got Oliver B, Holly C, Callum D, Alex E, Luke J, Bailey R, Tyler S, Todd T, Evie W, Molly W, Kaylee W, Sebastian A, Daniel A, Faye B, Frankie B, Ellie C, Ruby E. We've gone a bit too far there. Sorry, I don't want to miss anybody off. Get into trouble. I would never live with myself. Right. Alicia F, Isabel H, Ethan K, Holly P, Matthew S, Faye S, Viola T, Oliver W, Lydia A, Adriana C, Louis C, Talana D, Millie D, Leah F, Savannah G, Lydia G, Kira G, Alicia M, Emma R, Jed R, Kia S, Bradley W, Danny B, Sam B, Harry C, Aidan E, Jamie F, Keely G, Amelia H, Jasmine H, Tristan H, Harry K, Georgia L, Freya M, Tia M, Thomas M, Lucy P, Scarlett T, Connor C, Bailey D, Crystal M, going on page while I breathe. All right, Max M, Regan T, Keen W, Leah A, Sandra L, Imogen O, Sienna G, Amy J, Ellie J, Freya M, Gracie M, Alicia C, Kaylee S, apologies Kaylee, Casey C, Olivia W, Jessica B, Amy C, Libby D, Isabel G, Brooklyn H, Jack H, Callum R, Sam R, Evie R, Raina S, Hannah T, Emmy W, Robin C, Luke C, Lydia C, Brogan G, not miss you off this time, Brogan, Madison G, Mia H, Enya J, Oscar N, Jake O, Lucy P, Corey R, Ricardo S, Star S, and I'm almost there, Ella S, Nathan V, Oliver W, and Christine Y. Well done, you guys. Phew. As I say, I don't mind. I hope you, as I say, forgive my monotonous voice, but it's important that you do get a shout out for the work that you've been doing. So well done. English. Now, English was our focus, and I know that you've done more work there's definitely been improvement in English. So well done overall to Year 9 for that. I'm very pleased and proud of you. So shout out for me personally as an English teacher, Ricardo S for some super fast work. We had a little chat and he got it to me within seconds, quite frankly. So well done, Ricardo. Ethan K, Lane B for some super punctuation work. Sam R, Hannah T, Raina S. Well done, guys. Mrs Gibson, shout out for Charlie S for all his effort. Well done. Mrs Haig says well done to Georgia L, Callum D, Emma R, Crystal M for some fantastic work. Well done, you guys. Miss Cooper says Tia M, Tristan H, Oliver W, Thomas M, Lydia A, Danny B, Kira G. Really impressed with their efforts and lovely comprehension work. Also some great perfect days creative writing too. Mr Greaves says a shout out to Jessica Brett for continuous sending in work. Big shout out for Kian H, Lucy P and Jake O. Mrs Hill says well done to Connor C, who's done loads of work, brilliant stuff. Mr Wood says fantastic and well done to Harry K. So English, keep up the good work. Mrs Moffat now in film studies. Sky H, Oliver W, Adriana C, Lydia A and anyone else who tuned in to the live film studies lesson this week. Again, well done, and she says you're all superstars, which indeed you are. Science. Miss Milner says, can I nominate Adriana C, Oliver W, Tristan H, Emma R for their fantastic work this week. Jamie F has been going above and beyond with his fantastic experiments at home. Miss Cabell says well done and thanks to Freya Marsh and Georgia L. Miss McIntosh says brilliant work from Hannah T and she sent some wonderful microscope pics and I'll put those in at the end. Mrs Small says, can you please ask all Year 9 art students to send in photos of the sketchbook pages they've completed? If you can do that, guys, so projects can be reviewed and feedback can be sent out. Okay, so that's a bit of a shout out for art, please. Geography, shout out, please, for Sam R for his work. Citizenship, Mr Chet says, can you acknowledge Harry K, Hannah T, Callum D, and Tamara, who's still got the stuff to send in, but she's on it, so well done, Tamara. Miss Hancock says, Tristan H for great effort on citizenship assessment. Now to Spanish. Miss Waywell says, Harry K, brilliant effort. Danny B, Tia M, Enya J. Brilliant work from you guys, well done, and she's very proud of you. Also Year 9s in Spanish, Jamie F, Oliver W, Tia M, Adriana C, Tristan H and Emma R. Miss Hampstead in Spanish says Oliver W and Amber H have been consistently sending work and she's very pleased with them. Miss Talbot says, moving on to sports science, I'll try again, shall I? Put my teeth in. Can you congratulate the following please for their continued hard work in sports science? She's really proud of you all, well done. Tristan H, Freya M, Madison G, Thomas M, Amber H, Daniel A and Nathan V. Brilliant work, guys. Miss Allen says Amber S is doing some lovely work and there's a picture at the end to follow to show Amber's lovely work. Mr Sutcliffe for ICT and Computer Science says well done to Keely G, Harry K and Oliver W who've been working so hard. Well done, guys. And finally, Miss Parkinson in the LRC says Amy C, shout out to her for all the hard work she's been doing daily without any coaxing and she's totally amazing. So that's it. Right. Okay then, guys. I hope you've heard your name. Listen very carefully to the maths ones. One more week, guys, and we've got a bit of a special assembly next week. So keep up the good work, all right? And one more work, really try and send. It doesn't matter how little it is or if you're still having problems, just let me know, either contact school or email me directly and we can try and help you out. All right, so please do some work and send some to your teachers. All right, you take care, Year 9. Stay safe. Bye-bye.